Hello, folks! I'm sure you know of me, James the Splendid Red Engine, and I understand that you're not satisfied with my new update model from Sodor Workshops because of this problem. I saw what you meant, and believe me, it irritates me as well. I just couldn't even understand how my wheels are not turning left or right appropriately. However, I do have a perfect solution to fix this glitch problem, and I would like to thank Carson, one of the guys who made this model, for telling me how it's done. So listen up. So first up, you open the Trainz 19 app, and then you would click on the Manage Content button. Once there, go to the search bar and type in TTTE James, and there, you right-click on the model that is marked TTTE James the Red Engine, which is me, and then go to Open and click on Edit Config File Text. Once there, you scroll down till you reach Bogies. If you look right there, you see it set to 0. So you highlight 0 and then replace it with 1. Once you've done that, you may close Edit Config File Text, then you right-click on my model again, and then click Submit Edits to save any changes that are necessary. Once that's done, my wheels can finally steer appropriately whenever I turn left and right while What in the blazes? How did this happen? Why am I painted like a bee again? I know for certain that this editing would never end up with me looking like this! All this editing did was to fix my wheel glitch and nothing more. Did somebody set me to look like this? Because I'm sure that it's not funny! Oh, so now he tells me